Yeah.
Hi, Rachel. Thank you for joining me.
Hi, Adele. Thank you.
What did you feel about the workshop that you did on Sunday? How did you come away? What were your feelings after the workshop?
I felt more confident. As somebody commented, it was such a nurturing group of women. And sometimes you can feel like other women are sort of not your best friends. But this group of women did feel very supportive, very nurturing. It felt a safe place to be. And obviously, you leading that was just lovely.
Oh, thank you, Rachel. And did you come out with any action tips?
Yes, more stretching, and I got over the barrier of not being able to do Pilates, so that was huge. That was really lovely.
That was good
Um,
for you.
and so now I'm on module 11. Yes, I think it's 10 or 11, which is adding an extra hour of exercise. And so getting over that barrier of no Pilates is just perfect for doing then. I've got to do another hour of exercise. What will I do? Oh, it will be Pilates. Good.
Okay, so it's coincided with your gorgeous journey.
Absolutely. Yeah. So that's been really helpful. I haven't actually done it this week, if you're asking, but you know.
We're getting there. That's another conversation.
It
So,
is.
tell me more about the workshop. Go back to the workshop because
Sorry, yes.
no, that's okay. It's good to hear your how everything is fitting together for you. But so the workshop was nurturing. Did
Yeah.
you enjoy the venue?
Yes, yeah, I'd been there before on a training course, so that was fine. Um, and yeah, it was a good temperature. Sometimes these things, especially when you're relaxing, are quite cold, but that
Yes.
was nice. And of course, we took our blankets, so we were fine as well.
Good.
Yeah.
Well, I learnt that lesson earlier on, so that's good. And did you like the difference between the practical and the actually the thinking, the sitting back and relaxing? So you had the action with the Pilates and the meditation, and
Yes.
then you had the presentation. Did you like the balance of those two?
Yes, I felt like we could have talked even more, because we overran slightly, didn't we? And then, yes, and then there were other topics which you said, "Oh, we'll come back to that later." So, yeah, the conversation could have developed loads the way it was going. Yeah, it was great.
Oh,
Yeah. Um,
that's good. And what did you think of your lunch and your snacks? Did you enjoy them?
yes, very much. The chili was delicious. So, yeah, because initially quinoa chili doesn't sound like it would be. It's a bit unusual. It doesn't sound like it would be as filling, perhaps, or as dense as a meaty chili or something with rice or bread. Still getting over the carb barrier,
Yeah.
but yeah, it was really good. So that is something I feel I would try again.
Good.
Definitely.
Brilliant. And what were your expectations coming into the day? What were you expecting from the day? What were your fears?
Um, I suppose a fear is of judgment, isn't it? Like always when you go into somewhere where you don't know the people and you don't know what to expect. But yeah, as I say, it wasn't like that at all. It was lovely. Yeah.
Good. Good. So would you recommend it to other people?
Oh, absolutely. To take time out for yourself and reconnect with your head and your body and just get grounded and learn nutritional um, secrets, really,
Oh,
is very, very valuable. Yes.
thank you, Rachel.
Thank you, Adele.